The news that's breaking right now, that's the important one. The IT department has busted big cash deposit racket in Nagaland. Now, the action is based on intelligent alerts of misuse of tax exemption given to local tribes of Nagaland. In fact, without further ado, let's go to Timsy Jaipuria, who joins us now with the details. Timsy, so obviously there have been many concerns about intermediaries cropping up overnight after the demonetization drive. And here we see once again, people are just trying to be creative when putting their money in. What are you picking up?
Very true. This is another creative move after huge deposits into Jan Dhan accounts. Now, what the latest alerts that are coming to the income tax department is that the exemptions given to Nagaland, that any Naga tribal who earns income from within Nagaland is exempted from tax. So this exemption window is getting misused. A lot of intermediaries in the last 15 to 10, in the last fortnight, for that example, have been using this window and are submitting huge amount of cash in the accounts of these tribal people. Now, what the income tax alert is that this money, which is getting transported from Delhi to Nagaland in various transactions, are being done from various unprotected airfields, such as a flight which was detained last night by the income tax department on the alerts was from Hisar via Delhi to Nagaland. Similarly, many such flights have now been detected which were taking off from Bhopal, from Hisar and many other such unprotected airfields where cash was being transported to that airfield and then it was being taken off to Nagaland. A lot of private banks and public sector banks are seeing huge influx of cash getting deposited in Nagaland, and this is what income tax department is right now tracking. Now, they also say that a major security breach has happened in these transactions, of which an alert has been given to Home Ministry, because it is the Department of Home Ministry and it is the jurisdiction of Home Ministry to check of such filters, that false filters which are there from these unprotected airfields. Ideally, CISF staff from these airfields should have been on the watch and they could have concealed the cash right there and there where the flight was getting takeoff. Now, what they're also saying that they've alerted Home Ministry of this move. Home Ministry, along with the income tax department, is working on various raids. They are, as of now, as we talk, they are on in Delhi, Gurgaon, Bhopal, Hisar, and of all such people who were involved in the last night transaction, and they have given leads that many more such heavy transactions were about to happen in the next 15 days. Now, income tax department is currently continuing a huge amount of search operation, which is including the entire Nagaland state and Delhi, Haryana and Bhopal, for specifically to unearth who's the person who's transporting this money. Now, they also say that the money was being used for terror financing, but they want to establish enough ground to confirm and prove it. So it is a both.
Right.